The DJ Skirts light stand covers. Light stand and trussing not included. This is sold in pairs. A complete cover for the 3 legs and vertical pole of a tripod light stand. The stock size is one size fits all. The color is black. Setup time is less than 2 minutes. This product hides cables and cords. It covers up scratches, dents, metal and chrome tubing, improving its appearance to look more professional. Each light stand cover is also known as the tripod skirt and pole sleeve. 2 tripod skirts and 2 pole sleeves included. Tripod skirt wraps around the 3 legs and fastens with a Velcro-style strap to secure it around the pole just above the point where the 3 legs meet. The pole sleeve securely fastens using the attached strap which wraps around the pole and through a D-ring with Velcro-style fastening. A rubber-style grip is sewn in at the top to prevent the pole sleeves from slipping down the pole. When the pole sleeve is not fully extended, it simply gathers at the bottom of the pole above the delta collar for an elegant ruffled look. For easy teardown and setup for next use, pole sleeve may be left on as you pack up. Shirred pleating provides built-in horizontal pleats on the front of tripod skirts and pole sleeves to further enhance appearance. It's total blackout material. You cannot see through when set up. It may be folded or rolled up until next use. The fabric is wrinkle-resistant, polyester, wash in warm water gentle cycle, tumble dry on low heat. It passes the NFPA 701, the fire code test. More info is available at djskirts.com, nav menu under Fabric Information. The applications for this are conventions, funeral homes, hotels, house of worship, mobile DJs, sound and lighting companies. It's manufactured in the USA by DJ Skirts Corp.